Hi guys, it's Johnny from Kalponic Studio or Games. I'm back with you for another video for you guys to save you some more time. Today I'm showcasing some handy little tools for Unity developers, asset creators, and then 2D or 3D or hybrid developers for making things easy. Okay, and since these tools have been saving me a lot of time in my own workflow, so I figured I would share them with you. Okay, most of the tools are available for free and some only a few of them are premium. Okay, today I will walk through the set of tools. I call them KS Unity Toolbox, a collection of small practical tools I've been building over the past few months. So let's jump in. Okay, so most of the tools have editor windows, but some of them doesn't have. Okay, so let us see what we have in our toolbox. So we will go over here, and I have tried to make things all organized with following best programming practices. Okay, so first of all we will go through this auto base material maker. I have already made a video about it. The video link will be in the description box, but I will just briefly go through with this tool. Basically, get your textures. Okay, like those textures that you use for your 3D games or whatever. Okay, and then you pick which folder you want to save. You want to select the base and that one, and you can select the primitive. Spare works right good over here, and you can just go standard over here, or just select whatever other material shader that you want. You can use your own shader, or you can just use commercial shaders, whatever you like over here. Okay, so I have already explained this in another video, so you can watch that. So the next one, what we will do is go through this. What I am doing, actually going through all the free tools first, then we will see the premium ones. Okay, so the next one is related with duplicating those animation clips, right? It is really helpful for people who want to edit those animations that they want, right? Like modify it, because if you go over here, just over here, right? So these are not editable. When you get something like this, these are not editable. Okay, so most of the time we need to duplicate those animations. All right, so what you can do is drag and drop over here and load. Okay, you see all the thing has been populated, and you just click duplicate animations, and over here the source folder, and where you want to save the phone animations. Okay, so that's what it does. Then after that, if you want to remove the root motion, you can do this. All right, for example, say from here, if you want to get like something, for example, just for demonstration purposes, if you go over here, load. Okay, and most of the things are quite optimized, so it works pretty good. As you see, loading time didn't take too long. Okay, perhaps I will add a scroll bar over here, and I'm in the next update, and you just create click remove root motions, and over here you can just type whatever folder that you want to do or save. So this is customizable. All right, so it just removes all the root motions from it. Then the next tool, perhaps after creating those animations, you want to perhaps rename the animation clips. For example, let's do this one again, load from there, and it gives a preview what it will rename to. Alright, so you see it has a nice preview, and you just press rename, and it will save specify what to remove over here. Alright, so and it will rename those. This doesn't need an output folder, it will just rename those things in the same folder. Alright, so that's what it does. By the way, the character that you see on the screen is available on itch.io. All the animations that are available are free. All these tools that I made are actually made me create this kind of character from 3D to 2D fast and efficiently. Okay, so this is the product of my tools. Now you can also do the same. Only for $199 you can also get the Unity setup, which comes with the animations. Alright, so over here it comes with those animation clips too. Okay, and it's set up on the, if you see over here, it is set up. Okay, so but the transitions are not there. Alright, because I don't really use transitions in my setup, but if you want to do transitions, you can go ahead and do those transitions. That is where the animation tool that I have comes in handy. Okay, so I don't have to deal with those transitions and spend countless hours just connecting transitions when I can just make my game. Alright, I just wanted to tell you that why I have made my tools, right? Alright guys, so I just forgot to mention one thing. Okay, for this remove loop motions over here, it works with most of the things I tested, as far as I tested, but some creators have a weird way of creating their loop motions. Okay, it may not work on those weird types. Alright, but it works most of the time. Just wanted to remind you guys. Alright, so let us check the next free tool that we have. It's animation over here. This is how it looks. Alright, so for demonstration purposes, let me open up the image that I have. So let us see. So okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, when you load the sprite, so what it does, you create the scriptable object. Okay, and then in the scriptable object you load all those sprites. Alright, it works with Unity animation system, but it also works on standalone. Okay, it has both options, and over here you can add events. I'm still working on adding hitbox. Okay, and you can all the things are working over here. You can specify the frame rate, all those things. Okay, you can add event, you can invoke on first loop. Really nice tool over here. While still it is work in progress, I'm providing this thing for free. It's still it may have some little bugs or things like that, but it's mostly working like 70 to 80% of the things that I have planned for it. Alright, and why I made this tool is because, say you have a Metroidvania kind of game and your character has a lot of animations, right? Then animation transition gets really weird, and like, you know, it gets like a spider web kind of thing. To avoid that, I have created this tool, so you don't have to deal with those transitions. Alright, so I think that's all the free tools. Let me check. Yes, I already covered that. I already covered most of it. Alright, so the next thing are the two premium tools over here. We're gonna check. Actually, before that, we have some other tools which doesn't really have editor windows. For example, Scriptable Framework. It allows you to create scriptable objects easily and more manageable. Alright, there is a readme on over here. Okay, it has a readme. You can listen, read the things what it does. Alright, everything, most of the all my tools are following the best practices as far as I know. Okay, if you have any better suggestions and improvement plans, I'm always willing to discuss about that. You can connect me, okay, connect with me to make improvements if you like. Alright, and this is a reusable health system. Alright, this which by using it you can create your health system in your game quite fast. Alright, it has a shield and a lot of features. Again, you can follow the readme over here, okay, and all the tools have a readme, so you can read those to get a good idea of how things are working. And all of the tools, I tried my best to provide tooltips and headers for it to make things easy for you and provide comments whenever it's needed. Alright, so and there's some bunch of handy little tools over here, okay, like event system and all those things. Again, it has a readme over here. Alright, so yeah, that's all the things I believe. Yeah, so now let us look at the premium tools that I have. Sprite Effects. This one remembers the last input or output and which one I used. Alright, so let us go over here, fighter character. Okay, so I have dragged and dropped over here and this one, and I have used this. You can create your own or use a commercial tool like I am using. Okay, this is a paid tool from Unity Asset Store. This is not included because it is not made by me, and it's a paid tool, so sorry I won't be providing this. But you can also create your own for you following YouTube tutorials, and if there is enough interest, perhaps in future I will make something similar and provide you something like that. Please comment in the comment box section if what is your interest and things that you want to see in future tools and utilities, shaders and things like that. I will try my best to create those things for you. Most of them will be available for free, and some of them will be premium, but still all of them will be quite cheap and affordable. Alright, so let us go to the next tool. It is called KS SnapStudio. It is provided individually on another product, but I have included this in the bundle. Alright, so it also has thumbnail generation. Okay, I already made a video about it in a previous video, so you can check that out. I won't be covering it. And why this tool? Because this tool captures animation in play mode, and you can attach scripts, effects and physics. Okay, you can do basically whatever your game looks like in play mode. It will capture all of those things and provide them those 3D characters and convert it to 2D after it applied to your scripts and anything that you really want that works in play mode. Okay, as far as I'm no other tools that allows you to capture those after applying scripts and secondary physics and captures and saves it. Okay, at least in Unity I don't know of any of them that allows you to do that. Alright, so this is really handy little tool, and it also has those thumbnail generation. You can just create thumbnails. I already covered in another video. The video description and everything will be in the description box. Alright, so that's all the tools over here, and I just wanted to mention that all these tools and everything takes a lot of time and research and studying and etc. So that's why my videos on YouTube are not very like consistent, meaning like not every week one video. I cannot make that, So thank you for your patience, for whoever is watching my videos, and it takes a lot of effort and whatnot. Okay, so if these tools helping you and my videos are helping me, I mean like you, so please subscribe to the channel, gives a like and thumbs up button. Okay, and if you feel really generous, you can go to my itch.io page and perhaps and buy something over there. That will really help me out, and it will allow me to continue making these videos and cheap tools for you guys to save you more time, and as it's saving me time. All right, so thank you for watching, and I hope stay healthy, and I hope I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.